Welcome to my channel. Today I will help you understand Roman numerals. So there are 7 basic things to understand and to look out for when dealing with Roman numerals. So the 7 letters are I, V, X, L, C, D, and M, where I stands for 1, V is for 5, X represents 10, L 50, C 100, D 500, and M 1000. I will now state for you what each figure represents in the Roman numerals. 1 is I, 2 I, 3 I, 4 is IV, and 5 is V. 6 represents VI, 7 is VII, 8 is VIII, 9 is IX, and 10 is X. 20 is XX, 30 is XXX, and 40 is XL. Remember that L is 50, and so XL is 50 minus 10, knowing that X is 10. So XL equals 40. XL is 40. So we have 50 to be L, then 60 is LX. That is 50 plus 10. 70 is LXX. That is 50 plus 20. LXX. 80 is LXXX, and this is 50 plus 30. So LXXX. Then 90 is XC. This is because C is 100 minus 10, and that is 90. Then 100 is C. You probably need a notebook to write down the important Roman figures: 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, and 1000. You can write this down in your notebook. We use them to translate from Roman numerals to figures, and writing from figures to Roman numerals. Now we're going to write 200. 200, which is 100 plus 100, is CC. So this implies that 300 is CCC. Then we can write 400 to be what? I want you to think 400 would be what? 400 would be CD. CD meaning 500, which is D, minus 100 from the C, and this is 400. So 400 is CD. Then 500, we know 500 is D. Then we can write 600 to be DC. meaning 500 plus 100. Then 700 is DCC, 800 is DCCC, then 900 would be CM, meaning M is 1000 minus C is 100, and that is 900. So 900 is CM. 900 is CM. Now we know the 7 basic letters that represents the Roman numerals. Now we're going to work with these known figures and values to express bigger numbers. For instance, let's give an example. You're told to write 205 in Roman numerals. 205 can be written in the expanded form as 200 plus 5. And what is 200? 200 is 100 plus 100. And remember that 100 is C. So 200 would be CC and 5 is V. So 205 in the Roman numerals is CCV. Let's try another example. We are told to write 98 in Roman numerals. 98 in the expanded notation is 90 plus 8. 90 plus 8. And remember, 90 is 100 minus 10, which will give us XC. So 90 is XC, and 8 gives us 5 plus 3. And 5 is V, 3 is III. So 98 is XC VIII. We can take a look at another example. What if we're given 144? 144 in expanded notation is 100 plus 40 plus 4. It means the one here is in the 100th place, the 100th place, 100, no TH, so 100. And the 4 here is in the tens, and the 4 here is in the ones place. So that's why we have 100 plus 40 plus 4. So for to write this in Roman numerals, we have it to be C plus 40. 40 is X. 40 is XL, because L is 50. So 40 is 50 minus 10. So XL, so that's XL. And 4 is IV, which is 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, IV. So 144 is CXL IV. Take a look at another example. We'll write 447 in Roman numerals. 447, that would give us 400. You write in expanded notation first. 400 plus 40 plus 7. 400 is 500 minus 100. So this is 500 minus 100. And this will give us CD. So that's CD. So 400 is CD, and 40 is XL, and 7 is VII. That's 5 plus 2, VII. So 447 is CD, XL, VII. The first step, you write in expanded notation, and that is 1000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 3. 1000, remember, is M. 200 is CC. 40 is XL. And 3 is III. 2,986,000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 6. 2000 is MM, because 1000 is M. So 2000 is MM, and 900 is 1000 minus 100, and that is CM, and 80 is LXXX, and 6 is VI. So 2986 is MMCM LXXX VI. We are told to convert CCXLII to digits. So we need to understand that we should split. You can split this in order to write them out in digits. We know C represents 100, so we can write CC together. That's CC plus XL would go together. XL, then plus II. CC is 200 plus XL. Remember, X is behind the L. So that would be 40. That's 50 minus 10. Then II is 2. So now we add them up together. 200 plus 40 plus 2 gives us 200, 4, and 2. So 242. Write these Roman figures in digits. So we have DCCC XVI. Remember to split them. So we can split this way. D CCC X, then VI. So we have D plus CCC plus X plus VI. So D is 500. Triple C is 300, because each C represents 100, and 100 times 3 is 300. Then X is 10, and VI is 5 plus 1, and that is 6. Putting this together, 500 plus 300, that is 800, so we write 8, and 10 is in the tens place, 1, and 6 is in the ones place. So 816. Let's take a look at another example. We want to write XCVII in figure, in digits. So we can split it. So XC will definitely go together. So we split it this way, and VII will definitely go together. So we have XC plus VII. XC is 100. This one means 100 minus 10, and that is 90. Plus VII is 5 plus 2, and that is 7. So this gives us 97. So XCVII is 97. I would like you to try this in your notebook. That is CDXXVI. take a few moments. You can pause the video and do this in your notebook, or you can even do it mentally. Then I will show you the answer. You pause it, then I will show you the answer in a few seconds. So we can split this as CD going together, then XX, then VI. So CD plus XX plus VI. CD is 500 minus 100, and that is 400 plus 20. XX is 20. 1x represents 10. So 10 times 2, that is 20. Then VI. V is 5. I is 1. So that is 6. So this should give you 426. 426. You can check, is that correct? If that's correct, you can give yourself a B clap. I want you to write the following numbers in Roman numerals. Number 1, 241. Number 2, 604. Number 3, 713. Number 4, 1238. Number 5, this ones you write them in digits. So you're writing from Roman numerals to digits. X, 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 V, I. Then number 6, L, V, I. Number 7, M, C, D, X, V, I. Number 8, L, X, V, I. Number 9, which is the last one, X, C, I, X. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next class. Thank you. Bye for now.